how to enable game bar in Windows 11. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, let's just go to the start button right here, click on it, and then once you're here, just simply go to the settings. And then once you're in settings, what you want to do is just go to gaming right here, and then just click on game bar. And then once you're here, what you want to do is to make sure that allow your controller to open game bar is switched on. And after that, once it's done, you can now open up game bar. So in here, the shortcuts for game bar is to edit game bar related shortcuts, press Windows logo key plus G on your keyboard or go to start game bar and then settings. So yeah, so just click on Windows plus G on your keyboard, and after that, your Windows game bar will now be switched on. So in here, you'll get to see the performance of your computer like CPU usage, GPU usage, VRAM, RAM, and your FPS. You'll also get to see your audio settings right here. So in here, you can choose your audio settings, lower or increase some volumes. You can also change your voice settings right here as well. And then here you can also record your games. So you can either just click on this button right here to start recording, or Windows Alt R. If you want to use your keyboard, you can also turn on your mic right here while recording just by clicking on this or pressing Windows plus Alt plus M on your keyboard. You can also record the last 30 seconds of your gameplay just by clicking on this, or just simply clicking on Windows Alt G on your keyboard. You can also take screenshots right here if you want to, just by clicking on this, or pressing Windows Alt Print Screen on your keyboard. And then if you want to see all of your captures, just simply click on See My Captures right there. And after that, you will get to see all of your recorded games, your screenshots, and all of them right there. So yeah, so in here, next is we have Xbox Social. So in here, you'll get to see your friends right here. You'll get to see your chats as well. You can search your friends right here as well. Check out your notifications, start a party, find more friends, and a lot more. You can also link your other accounts right here like Steam, and etc, etc. So yeah, in the top right here, you'll have your widget menu. So in here, you can add widgets like your gallery, your resources, Xbox achievements, Xbox chat, and Xbox looking for groups. So if you want to enable these widgets, just click on these stars right here to add them here onto your bar. So yeah, and then you'll also be able to open up these widgets just by clicking on the widget that you want to open. So here I opened up the Xbox chat. You can also pin this if you want to. Same goes with the other ones right here, like looking for a group. You can find players right here or manage posts. So yeah, you can pin this as well. And after that, you can also like enable click through right here with your mouse, and also check out your game bar settings. So you can set it to compact mode if you want to. You can also like modify the widgets, shortcuts, personalization, gaming features, and feedback. So yeah, so feel free to explore this section out. And then once you're ready to exit out of the game bar, just simply click on Windows plus G again. And after that, the Windows game bar will now be closed. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to enable game bar on Windows 11.